Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Rita Almusa, Master Esthetician and Beauty Expert, and I wanted to share the 500-point gift from Sephora that I just picked up. This one is specifically from Nars, and I'm really excited actually for a few products in here, and I'm going to tell you why. So first, let's talk about what is included. So this is a 4-item from Nars. I love Nars. I'm a huge fan of Nars products. I also think the name is super cute, Narcissist, which if we love makeup, we all have an inner joke about that. So without further ado, let's talk about the products that are included. Number one, there's a smudge-proof eyeshadow base. So I have been looking for an eyeshadow base for a while because I've only tried one, I've tried two. I have MAC, Painterly, or Painter Pot, and then I've tried the Benefit. So I'm excited for that. So let's pull that one out first of all. Look at the cute packaging. I'm always a fan of polka dots. Come on, polka dots always get me. Okay. So here we go. These are the contents inside. Cute little black straw that I just threw all over. Alright, so number one, the smudge proof eyeshadow base. I'm going to open this for you so you can see what it looks like. Smudge proof eyeshadow base by Nars. And it comes on a little wand. I have actually used this since I've received it, and I just wanted to show you guys how it comes packaged, so I put it back in the box. But it is a great eyeshadow base. I highly recommend this. I think I'm sold for life on this. It's not too greasy, not too heavy. It does the job. It kept my eyeshadow in place all day long, and I did a very glamorous, heavy eyeshadow look that day, so it did pass the test. So there's item number one, eyeshadow base. Okay, item number two is going to be larger than life long wear eyeliner. Let's open it up. And let's see, what do we have here? Ooh, that looks like a kohl liner. So this is something that I would use if I'm going to smudge. I'm going to just put it here for you guys and see. This is something that I would use. It actually is really smooth. Ooh. I would say that it's consistent, kind of like a crayon or a kohl liner. So this is something I would put on like my inner waterline, or if I wanted to apply this to maybe like the outer corner and then just smudge that in. I think that that would be beautiful. But let's do a little test and see, can we smudge it? Oh, okay, never mind, I take that back. I wouldn't be able to blend that because it doesn't blend. It's there, it's stuck, it's good. So yeah, I guess we'll be seeing that tattoo for a while. Talk about the real tattoo eyeliner. I would say this one is like more solid than Kat Von D's tattoo eyeliner, which I love, I'm obsessed with, but that's the liquid tattoo eyeliner. This one is more of like a crayon wax based, and it literally dried right away, and I can't even budge that. So good job, Nars. What? Be careful where you put this, I guess. Practice with one that you can remove and then go for that. So this is fully load up. Blech. Can I talk? This is fully loaded ultra charge. So next up, third. I'm so excited for the third item. I've heard so many great things about this blush, and here it is. We're gonna open this up and look at it. Here we have the Nars Orgasm blush, which is so pretty. It actually matches my background. Maybe I should put some on. I have blush on from Urban Decay, but let's go ahead and I'm going to take the Rounded Soft Blend by Mint Pear, and we're going to just put a little bit on. Why not? So immediately my first impression of this is that it is very pigmented. It's a very pigmented blush. It definitely has a little bit of a shimmer to it. So it's not a matte blush. I can see a little bit of like a rose gold shimmer to that blush. If you have acne or if you have scars, which I do have some acne scars in that area, I would avoid putting shimmery blush or highlighter on any area that you have any acne, active acne or acne scars, because it's going to make those stand out a lot more. And last on the list is Do Me Baby Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. So I'm going to wipe this off and we're going to see what this looks like on. Okay, so since I want to see what this looks like without any other color, I'm just going to put this on without any liner. We're just going to go for it. I think that's going to be pretty dark on me. Tis the season. I just realized I only put blush on one side of my face. It's very easy to apply. I actually just want to like keep going. Velvet is the perfect name for this. It feels very smooth, very soft, moisturizing. So for a matte lipstick, that's amazing, actually. And that's actually bothering me, so I'm going to put blush on the other side of my face. The same blush. Not going for a third one today, guys. And there you have it. So this is the lip and this is the blush, and I've already tried the eyeshadow primer and I do love it. And that eyeliner I have not applied on my eyes, but it has definitely gone past that long wear proof test on my hand. It's not going anywhere. So I would say 4 out of 4. Good job, Nars. I'm excited for this. And thank you, Sephora, for rewarding me. The total value of this is almost $60, so I'm very thankful for these 4 items. And if you do have a chance to scoop this setup while it's still in stock, I would highly recommend it. I think these are wonderful products and I'm definitely going to be using these. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you can see when new videos are released on my channel. And leave a comment below and let me know where you're watching from. Thank you so much for your support. Have a beautiful day and I will see you in my next video. Take care.